Hey guys, welcome back to the Loveland Yoga YouTube channel. My name's Annabi, and today we're going to go over how to do your Chaturanga Dandasana. It's a great posture to transition from a standing pose to the floor or in between your sun salutations. And we'll go over what the pose looks like, and then we'll also talk about common mistakes we see here at the studio. So go ahead, let's get started. We'll come into a plank pose. Right. Separating your hands about shoulder width distance, spread all 10 fingers. Your index fingers will point about 12 o'clock, facing forward towards the front of your mat. Now your drishti, your gaze, is in between your thumbs. Even from here, a lot of the times, we like to hike up our hips or bring our hips way down. Right, so I really want you to be mindful of your hips, bringing your hips in line with your sternum. Right, so it's one straight diagonal line from your heels to your hips, to your shoulders. Right? If this is too much for you, you're always welcome to bring your knees down, untucking your toes. Okay, options here. We'll come back up to our high plank. Right? Moving with your breath, you take a smooth inhale, shift your shoulders forward slightly, squeeze your elbows in towards your ribs, start lowering down until your elbows are about 90 degrees. Notice how the body stays in line, the shoulders, the hips, and the heels. And then press back up. Now, how to do this on your knees is bringing your knees down, untucking your toes. Hands are still at shoulder width distance, spreading all 10 fingers wide. Take a smooth inhale, shift your shoulders forward, and the shoulder blades are away from your ears. Right? Oftentimes I see shoulders come forward, hunching over the back, and with the shoulders away. Right, take a smooth inhale, shift the shoulders about 1 to 2, 3 inches in front of your wrist, squeezing the elbows into your ribs, holding your elbows at 90 degrees. Right, and that's how you do your Chaturanga Dandasana. Now, common mistakes we see in class, coming from your plank pose, is that when we come down for Chaturanga, oftentimes I see students bellowing their elbows out to the side. I don't know if you guys can see that, I'll turn. So your hands are at shoulder width distance, and as they come down, they move their elbows out. I want you to deliberately shift your shoulders forward first and squeeze your elbows in, if you can see that difference. Instead of doing a push-up, we're working on our triceps and our core to keep that Chaturanga hold. So be very mindful of your elbows at shoulder width distance the entire time. All right, one more time. Coming into your high plank. Again, options to always come down to your knees at any time. Shift your shoulders forward, squeeze the elbow in, shoulder blades away from the ear, 90 degrees, and then inhale, pushing back up. All right, working with this motion. And that's how you do a Chaturanga Dandasana. As if you have any questions or comments, you can record yourself and then tag us. We would love to see video of you guys doing your Chaturanga Dandasana. And then otherwise, if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Subscribe here and check out our other videos there and here and I don't know where. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next video, guys.